Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I am going to make restaurant style Veg Kolhapuri. So let's get started.
At first, heat some oil in a pan. Add chopped onions. Saute it well. Next, add cauliflower. Some carrots and beans. Saute repeatedly, adding each vegetable. For preparing the masala, add some oil in a separate pan. Add cumin seeds or jeera, black cardamom, green cardamom, few cinnamon sticks, cloves, black pepper and a tablespoon of coriander seeds, dried red chilies and some grated coconut. Fry all the ingredients for some time. Transfer the fried spices into a mixer and make a paste out of it. Next, to make veg kolhapuri, heat some oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds, finely chopped onions, saute well. Also add ginger garlic paste, little turmeric powder and give it a nice mix. Then add finely chopped chilies, few cashew nuts, mix well and the ground masala paste. Let it cook for some time. Also add some red chili paste. Add salt to taste. Mix well and tomato puree. Saute well until the raw smell of all the ingredients are gone. Now add all the sauteed vegetables to the gravy. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Finally, add little chopped paneer and let it cook well. Our veg kolhapuri is ready to serve. You can relish it with any type of rotis. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.